to create engaging Instagram posts, we want to apply that brand not just to highlights, but a lot of your posts on a regular basis. So you can use a tool like Canva. Canva was already mentioned earlier in the chat. Um, you can definitely create branded templates within Canva that incorporate your brand to make it much easier to create posts. And as you can see in this example on the right-hand side, that same font that was used in the highlights is being used as an overlay on this image. And the same colors that are used on their website, we're incorporating in that post. Why does this matter so much? Well, most people aren't looking at your posts when they're just searching for your business and they're going to your profile and they're looking at your posts. A lot of people do that, but that's not what most people are doing. Most people are just, they follow you and then you're in their feed, right? And you show up in their feed. You want to capture their attention both consciously and subconsciously as they're scrolling through that feed. And your brand, right? You want to start associating your brand with your business. And so if they're scrolling down and they see this font, now they're going to register even subconsciously, oh, that's cedar hair. And that's going to build association, which is important for you to make sure that you're staying top of mind for them. It also makes your posts look much better when they are looking at your profile and they are looking at all your posts. They're going to see consistency. It's going to be much more aesthetically pleasing, and it's going to feel a lot more personal to your business as opposed to just some beauty business that's posting content. So we definitely recommend applying a consistent brand across channels, doing the same thing with Reels as well. And then of course, taking good quality content is a very important piece. We've got blog posts to share that we can share around tips and best practices for taking good quality content, but it's an essential thing to do to get right. And the last thing to say, especially for a lot of folks that are in this webinar, are independent and are running this business themselves without a team. And your personality is what makes you different, right? There's a lot of businesses that offer similar services. If you have very unique services, you can focus on that. But often the thing that makes you most different is you. And if that's the case, right, you might be nervous to get in front of the camera, but if you're trying to grow on social, showcasing your unique personality is the best thing that you can do. And that gets a lot more engagement. We see on the posts that we manage and we post for our clients, the ones where it's showcasing the people within the salon, always get more engagement.